Welcome! This video will show you how to end your job on HCS mobile app. Before you can end your job, you have to fill in all the compulsory fields. If there are trailers under your company's master data, you may select it from a drop-down list. Once you have collected your container, swipe the container collected to the right. You can enter additional charges and trip forms for the trip. Steps to do so will be covered in another video. Once you have filled in all the compulsory fields, click on the End Job button. You may check for your job history under History page.